Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in your Black & Decker level laser. First, you'll want to grab 2 AA batteries. If you don't have any, I'll have some linked in the description below. Next, you'll grab the device, and on the back side here, you'll see a little panel. You'll grab that little tab and pull towards you. This will pop out. Once that comes off, you can flip it over, give it a couple hits. The old batteries should come out. Now grab your new batteries, and if you actually look on the cap here, it'll tell you the polarity that it should be, and there is also a sticker in here that shows you that as well. So once you put those in, push them down, good to go. Now line up this tab on the tab up here and then push in. Once it clicks in, you're good to go. You can give it a little test. You know it's working. If you thought this video was useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.